Hi, and welcome to the Danville Public Library Children's Room. I'm Nancy, and this morning I'm going to show you a fun card to make. So be looking at it at our curbside pickup, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 9 to 1, and Tuesday and Thursday, 2 to 6. You'll get a packet just like this. On the front, it tells you about how our summer reading program has started. Really simple. There's a log in there. Write down what you've read. You can call and request books anytime and pick them up at curbside. Fill it out, call us, let us know that you've finished, and you'll get a prize. So you'll get a bag like this, and in the bag is all the things you need to make a fun card. You'll have a piece of paper with some words on it, a green piece of paper, and a little bag with a bunch of fun things in it too. So I'm just going to take all of my supplies out so I can find them easily. And the things that you'll need are some markers or crayons. I have a pen, some glue. The first thing that you want to do is put a little glue on the white piece of paper. And you're going to glue it to the center of the green paper. Now the white piece of paper is going to go on the outside of the card, because we want all the words and the pictures to be on the outside. Next, you're going to find the big orange and the little orange, and you're going to glue those to your card as well. And you can put them any way you like. After that, they need a mouth. That's what this yellow is. The big one goes on the big one, and the little one goes on the little one. And what would a face be without some eyes? So we've got some big googly eyes, and some little googly eyes. And now comes the fun part, making it your own. So I think that he needs a nose, which an upside down triangle makes a really good nose, and then a mouth, and then because it's a lion, some whiskers. And then also because it's a lion, they need a mane. Now you can do this with crayons if you want, or if you're really creative and have some, you could either even paint that on there if you wanted. And so just make a really nice and fluffy mane. So it looks something kind of like this when you're finished. And then you'll want to write something nice and special on the inside, like "You're the best." And then I always like to say love and your name. And we've also included some stickers that you can put on the inside or outside, whatever you like to do. So I'm just going to put a couple stickers on here. And there you have it, a Father's Day card or just for someone special in your life. Thanks for joining us at the Danville Public Library. I'm Nancy, and we sure do miss you. Hope to see you.